everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. And all of you, tons and tons of you who are new right on over here, you know it's always a special welcome to you. And thank you so much. All of you that were there from the beginning of the journey and you're still here with us, manners and respect. Now today, first things first, we have a little, just a few little community service announcement. Now, we had a donation button on our channel because people been asking, Debbie, how we can donate to your channel, how could we donate to your channel and all of that. We're so thankful for that, and we had it up, and quite a few people were donating and so, but for some reason we had to remove that button. But the good news is it's back up. You know, this is Jamaica and it is still PayPal. Jamaica, everything in Jamaica is sort of different, you know, mostly like with them sort of different type of donation stuff. They sort of different in Jamaica. So the good news is it's up and running and it's good. We were facing a little difficulties, but it's up and it's running. Okay? So all those who have asked, those who are asking, it's back up and it's running. Go to the channel. Click on. When you go, click on the about. What says about up there on West Indian Delights? Click on the about. When you click on it, the donation button will appear. When it appears, you click on that button again and it will lead you to where you want to go to make your little trip and penny to West Indian Delights, which we'll be so grateful for. Thanks so much to those who have donated, those who are still donating. You see what I'm saying? Those who are about to donate, it doesn't matter. For us, it's not the amount. We thank you and we appreciate you so much to know that you really think about us to make some donation to us. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Now, that's it. Now, one more thing. In our community section, we have some questions that we post there, and you're always answering. Now we are falling back a bit on those. So we have those videos that you voted for us to do. They'll be coming right up in the mix anytime soon. We not forgot about them, but you don't know sometimes little old house come down and all of that. And all of that is a Jamaican thing. So everything will be right back up. And remember, the donation button is back up. Everything is okay. Everything good. We can start back the music again and everything. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Now today, I want to do for you a long-awaited video. I'm not asked still yet. Not that. It soon come to, man. I want to do for you today some cook-up corned pork. Now somebody, about 3 different requests had asked me, Debbie, can you show us how to corn pork? No, this video is going to show you how to prepare the corned pork. I can do it. Do you think I can show you how to corn pork? If you think me can show you, type in the comment section, and if you type I may see enough look like I'm gonna do for you, show you how to corn pork. But this is not the corn pork. I did not corn this one, but I can show you. And if you think I can show you, please to comment. Now that video would be how to select too. You've got to know how to select the pork. You can't just get any pork for camp. Right on with this one. We're going to be doing some corn pork. Now, this is like a kilogram of corn pork. So, this is how it looks. This is this piece. Nice pork this here in a boy. So, you see this piece have some little bones. And this piece have some sort of lean. And all of that. And all of that. And the skin here. Now, this part, it has some meat. And it has a little fat layer right there. That's why I say, when I'm corning the pork, I'll show you how to select before you corn it, okay? And this piece here is almost the same like this piece. So we have 3 beautiful pieces of corned pork. Now this pork, I treated it as I treated the saltfish. I washed off the heavy salt and I left it to soak for about 2 hours. Throw that water out, and I left it again for about 45 minutes. So now I'm throwing this last water out. Yes. Now we're going to do some fry up corn pork. But can I say something to you? I want to say something to you. What we're going to do now, we're going to do the scalding method to gonna get our flame up. I hope you're all in on what I'm doing, medium. So we have cold water here and we're going to put this into the water because we're going to scald it. Scalding, as soon as it starts to boil, you remove the pork and throw that water off. I'm going to do this one time because my have it soak long time. So you're going to put enough water to let it boil. So as soon as it starts boiling, people are going to say, Debbie, how many minutes? I don't know how many minutes you all on your stove. As soon as it starts to boil, you throw this water off. I hope you are all in on what I'm saying because I don't want no corn pork going bad. You see what I'm saying? I don't want when you fix yours, it don't go good. I need it to go proper, and if you just listen and follow the instructions, you will get a successful corn pork. So we're doing here now, we're going to scald it off in this reasonable amount of water. When it starts boiling, we're going to remove it from this water, okay? And then we are going to tenderize this corn pork before we start to fry it up. We have to tenderize it because this skin here determines the age of the pig that we got this pork from. Debbie no know, you no know, no, we don't know. Not even the butcher, him don't know the age of the pig. We don't know when this pig, what the birthday of this pig. Okay, so we have got to do a little tenderizing because the frying alone will not be enough to tenderize. You know, want you start frying and you have and not tear. No, we want you to enjoy some soft, succulent, you know, I use those words often, juicy, fry or cook up corn pork. Now, when we return, we will be tenderizing this corn pork. Okay, now family, let me get this kettle off. This is what I'm talking about. It starts to boil, so immediately it starts to boil. You don't let it continue boiling because it starts here now. You notice all of these white things and stuff coming to the top. Them are the salt, you know. These are the salt. People say me not to say scum, but whatever it want. What you call it, type it in the comment section. You're going to remove it right now. You're going to turn the flame off because you know want all of them sitting here start to go back in there. Right? At this point, you're going to remove it. Okay? You're going to remove it. Alright? This is what I'm talking about. Scald. As the water starts to boil up and you see all them little something they come out, you're going to turn it off. Now, you know say at all times, your kettle for your boil. You must have boiling water. You're going to come right now and you're going to pour some of this right over it to give it another rinse. This is hot water. Now, you're going to let it stay into this water. Turn it over. I hope you're in on this one, you know, because this is a kilogram. You see, this is just like 2 pounds, which is a kilo. And you notice it starts shrinking already. So what is going to happen? We're going to leave it in this little water here for a little time. This is the stamp of the butcher, you see. So somebody going to say, I want to see this little piece. You know it go already. You understand? So this is the butcher's stamp to show that this pork is in good order to eat. Right? So we're going to throw this out now. And we soon come back. Look here, camera girl, could you catch this from them? We have some little hairs here that tells you that them never scrape the pig properly. So we're gonna get this out and come back to show you how you treat this with the ear before you start to tenderize this here corn pork. Now look at this. You see all these fine hair right here? I want the camera, pick it up, camera girl. This is what we have on it. You know, you're to search, you're to look. Put on your glasses if the reading glasses are the glasses. When you know, get the glasses on. Not your shades, please. Not your dark glasses. Okay? And put it on. You're drying it. Okay. With your hand towel. I would prefer use disposable. You don't want to use a kitchen towel. You're going to come right here. Come on, girl. Are you here with me? And we want to dry it properly, you see? Because it's had some water. So when you're going to get your heat up, but you're going to bring it down almost to low. You're gonna use here, or maybe we should remove the burn, the grid. We should. This is the method that you're gonna use to remove. You notice most of them are, you're gonna sort of, a syringe, Is that a word? Could you say? I don't know. But we are burning these little hairs. That is if the corn pork, that is if the back of the skin have the ears. If it doesn't have it, you don't need to do that, okay? Because when these things fry up and nice and them look up the hair, it's not good, not good. So we're gonna be doing this, and when we return, we're gonna show you how we're gonna tenderize it, okay? Okay, now family, my kettle is right here and it's about to boil because we're going to need hot water. Where I'm going to be tenderizing this thing inside my pressure cooker. You could tenderize it on top of your stove. It's going to take a little time for. So the back of it, this is it. This determines the age of the pig, okay? This part here, the skin. So, we don't know. So it's best, I'm using my pressure cooker. If you want to use, you could probably leave it in your slow cooker for another 5 to 6 hours. Then it will be properly tenderized before frying. I don't know. But you could leave it in your pot on top of the stove on almost to low to get it properly tenderized, okay? But I'm using the pressure cooking method. Now the skin, all the little ear, young ear and all of that, it is off. All of that. I know somebody's gonna type and say, then Debbie, instead of we burn off the skin, couldn't we cut off? No, if you cut it off, the hair has gone deeper than what you think. It goes farther. Where does it go, camera girl? She says scientifically she wants to tell you. I have no clue.
So you have 3 layers of your skin. The epidermis is the outer layer, dermis is the inner layer, and the hypodermis is the inner layer, which means it goes as far as the hypodermis.
So you know say a chaka blow mother dapsy blue hole. So it's best to, yeah. So it goes far. Maybe it don't go to the 3rd layer, but I think it goes to the 2nd. I think so. She not really, but it goes deeper than what you think right here. My father was a licensed butcher. Did I ever say that? I think I did in some earlier videos. But he did not do cows, only goats and pig. Now we stick to here. So let us recap what we did. You didn't see me put it to soak, but you have the idea how. Throw off the first water. First you wash that heavy salt off. Put it to soak, a lot of water. 2 hours, throw out that water, rinse it off for another hour and a half, throw that out. Scalding. I showed you how you must do the scalding. After the scalding, we had some hair here. We put it on there and we got rid of it. Now we are going to tenderize. Right here, right now. I am using the pressure cooking method. Now pressure cooking, please look at this. You don't need to full the pot. You just need to put a reasonable amount that this is okay for me with pressurizing. Come on girl, you shoot them up on that the level of water in the pressure cooker. Yes. When you're pressuring, please put the camera on me, camera girl. You don't need the water to be, you're pressuring this. Come on right here. Let me teach you something about pressuring. You don't need the water, you're just pressuring this small amount of thing. You don't need the water all the way up here. You are using steam. You're forcing the thing to cook. So you just barely cover the thing with some water and you leave it. You know pressure thing, that mean I boil in a pressure cooker. Okay? Okay? I hope it's okay. So now we're gonna get our flame hot and we're gonna cover. How long should we pressure for Miss Debbie? The pressuring starts when the hello, you see? I need a decent pressure cooker. My husband had to do a little something with this one, but nevertheless it works. The pressuring starts, so you put it up on a high heat, and as soon as it starts to release, which you know this, the steam, that's when the pressuring starts. So you reduce it to medium, and I would say on medium, with the amount of liquid that we have in there, 10 to 12 minutes. That should do the trick. Okay, now family, camera girl, could you get right in on this? Now we have tenderized it. Look at this. Look at this. You see the gel inside this? Look at this. Look at the fork. It goes right down. No, you don't want to tenderize it too soft, because remember we are going to be frying it. And the frying is another form of cooking. So let us remove our cornbread. You saw them clean and pretty. You saw I'm saying to you, you got to know how to do your thing, okay? Because let me tell you something. When we were growing up, you know, like everything she talked about when she that grow. Of course, that's how I have to That's how I gain all of these experience, most of them to say. Look at this water. Look at this water, you all, inside here. You see how it's white and pretty? After my mother soaked the corn pork, right? And she wash it off and scald it off. When we, because we grow a lot of us, she would have a big pot of dumpling and banana and something to cook. She would tenderize her corn pork. She wouldn't salt the pot. She would tenderize the corn pork on top of the food pot whilst it's cooking. When she peel the breadfruit and the dumpling, she would put the pork in the pot and then she put layer the banana under it on the top. Taking care that when she taking out the pork. So you see that water there? We cook the food with the pork, we tenderize in it. We would put some bird pepper in it and would drink it. If you know anything about that, it's nice, it make the food taste nice. Comment. If you know what I'm talking about, please comment. Now right on over here. Now this is what it comes down. You realize it has shrunk? Yep. So we want to leave it now just to cool out a bit because we have to use our hand, put it on our cutting board and we're going to cut it to, you know, certain sizes. Sorry. So when we return, we're going to have it all cut up, ready for fry. We're going to have a gender reveal while it's frying. That woman look like shit. No, I'm not gone crazy. Not yet. We're going to be doing a gender reveal. We can't tell the gender reveal right about now. When it starts frying, that is when I'll reveal to you if this pig was a little boy or a little girl. We're going to now cut up it, make it cool out, cut it up how we want it in bite-sized pieces. We're going to chop our tomatoes or onions. Of course, we have to put some scotch bonnet in it. And they got right here some freshly, some little scallion. You see my little fresh scallion I pull from my garden. So, and we're going to come back, have all of these chopped. We're going to start the frying process. So look now, we are cutting up. So you cut it because when it's fry, it's going to shrink down smaller again too. So you need to know you cut it in pieces like this. So you know you don't want nasty up your another pork. So you know you have your sharp knife and all of that. So this is where we have. This is the size I'm cutting it into. I don't want it no smaller. These are like bite-sized pieces like how you don't cut up your chicken for curry. Hello, please. This is what we have over here, you see? This is just y'all. And if you're new right on over here, this is the masterpiece of my kitchen, Jessie. Now, we're gonna need, she's hot, she really bring the right there, so now you know. So we are gonna be removing our pork, all our pork pieces, because we're not going to put any oil because this pork has a little fat. If we're while doing it, I don't think we might need any. You know, because that's why we selected the pork with a little fat and all of that in there. Like we'll go with this. So Jessie is really bringing right here now. So you're going to drop in this. And you're on high. High right there. Okay? So you drop her in a Jessie and you drop them into Jessie. Hello, please, the gender star. How did do? Oh, yes. Gender reveal time. Gender reveal time. Now, it is a boy. It is a boy. Why it is a boy, Debbie? Your ear it start popping. That means sighting. So to prevent, you're going to be covering this. Hello, how do you do? Are you hearing it? It's a boy. When the male, the meat pops, it's a male. When it not pop, a woman. It's a girl. It is a boy. Gender reveal when you're frying it. It's a boy. Tell me what you know about that. We're gonna be frying it. So we can drop now to medium, and you smell the smell of it coming out. It's a boy, baby. We soon come back. Okay, now we want to go inside here to turn. But listen what is happening in there. And it's on medium, so if we turn it up higher, it's gonna go more. Listen to what is happening. You hear it? Okay, we're gonna go back to low. When you want to turn it, you're gonna get yourself right down to low. Low, when it's on low, there's nothing in there for it to pop that much. If it even pops, it will be like minimal. So we put it on the low. and you give it a little rest, and then you go around like this. Because we have got to be, it's like you are frying it, you know. So you got to be turning. Look at this. You see it? It starts taking its color. So you want to find out now if you're going to have enough oil in this thing. We don't see any oil coming out, but at the same time, let's split this. So I'm saying, so let us remain at this for now. When we come back to turn again, if we need some oil, we'll have to put a little. So I'm saying to you, this is a bowl. Okay, it's quite evident that we want a little oil, and we're on the lowest. You know, please, camera girl, gotta be careful. This is how it goes. So this will cool it down. We're gonna put like 1 spoon of oil in here. Okay? And we are going to cover. We're gonna cover. Bring our flame back up to medium. We'll be frying until it's golden brown. And when you see us back again, we are gonna have chopped tomatoes and onions and everything. I'm going to show you how we deal with corn pork, Jamaican style. Okay, now family, I have my tomatoes, my onion, I have some chopped green scallion right here, so I have my scotch bonnet, of course, right, and I have 1 peg of chopped garlic right in at the corner here. Now look at what is going to happen. You see how the pork, say, come out, girl, you have to position yourself to fry the pork till it get all crispy and nice and all of that. Now we are going to dump all of this. Wow, you gotta be careful, you gotta be careful, you got to be careful. And I'm on the low, that's how the boy, that's how the male pig behaves. Right up. It won't pop anymore because that is down in there to give it that. Now look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. And you're getting it right up. So at this point, you want to look if you want to have a little more oil. And me personally think you want a little more oil. Because when you're going to eat it with, it want a little oil. So I'm going to put maybe like another tablespoon of oil. Up on the ease. At this point, you could put some vinegar. I don't have vinegar. So I have about like a tablespoon of lime juice. So I'm going to put it in here. And I'm going to be putting on some black pepper. Up on the eye heat now. Black pepper, reasonable amount, about a 1/4 teaspoon. And we're going to stir all over. Yep. Yep. We're going to turn it down and low. And when we come back, you're going to see what is happening for this corn pork. Okay, now family. Sit here. Now, this is what you have. If you don't want, you want it to, when you saw before I put in the seasonings and stuff, or the veggie, whatever they are, tomato, onion and something. If you don't want it to become a little, because it's a little more on the softer side again, with the skin all jelly and nice. Some people like it crispy. Well, when you put it in, you would have to omit the tomatoes. So you use your onion and your pepper and whatever, you know. Now this, I wouldn't suggest you go ahead and put in some all-purpose seasoning, because this corn pork is with the cured flavor of the corn pork. Now let's plate. So now at that point too, when we put in the stuff, then without, if you want to put in the tomato, you could also put some ackee into this corn pork and ackee. You don't forget it. How could you? Come, let's plate. Some real corn pork. This is some real corn pork, you see? This is some real Jamaican corn pork. Look at it. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to wherever you are, it's the good old Jamaican corn pork. Please do enjoy. Okay? Remember to like. No, I'm sorry. Good old Jamaican corn pork. Please enjoy. Camera girl, you want to shoot them up a bit on that corn pork? Now, people are asking me really often in the comment section, Debbie, what you serve that with? What do you serve that with? In a Jamaica, what else? Good old Jamaican roast breadfruit, man. Let me give you just a few slices. Look a nice pretty breadfruit. When you slice it, it look like breadfruit. Now look, no, it look like a breadfruit cousin. Please do enjoy. The breadfruit wasn't a part of the video, but I show you what you can have it with. You can have it with the dumpling and banana, the Jamaican hard-boiled food. You can have it with the Johnny cake. You can have it with absolutely anything of your choice. Hello. How do you do? Where is my plate? What is really happening? Camera girl, have you seen my plate? Okay. Camera girl, let them look at what is happening there. Hello, please. Okay. Look at this. Show them up, camera girl. Look at this. This is the oil. You see? You see it pretty? I want my breadfruit, you see? They rub up in the corn pork oil. A piece of the skin. Nice and firm. Nice, yeah. Look, man. From the lemonade. Pear. I have pear, but the pear was so bad to me. It never right. But the next video, I promise we are eat pear with something. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Leave your comments below. Want to be a member for post notification crew? All you've got to do is just to subscribe. When you subscribe, click the bell. When you click the bell, as soon as you see we drop them here now, so you get for coming up, just comment. Drop them in first and second to comment. You will be a member of the post notification crew. Okay? And today's post notification shout out goes to Lorna Z. Lorna Z, manners and respect for being a part of the Jamaican cooking journey. Once more, from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to yours. You see the corn pork oil, sir? If you rub up the breadfruit, it is Jamaican corned pork. You saw me. I did it from scratch. This video is long, but guess what? We don't care. That's the way to go, baby. Debbie from Dongayard, bless. No stress.